All right, number 18. This is a great example of how picking numbers can save you time and make your life easier. So, on inequality questions, the best thing to do is to pick a value that can eliminate multiple answer choices fairly quickly. So, first thing that strikes me is like, what if I make in this question, what if I make h equal like 7? If it's 7 and that works, then I could cross off A and D. I'm not sure that that's true yet. I'm just saying I can do that. Because 7 would be outside of those solution sets. Now, if 7 does not work, then I can cross off B and C, because 7, if it does not work, means that these solution sets, which include 7, would be incorrect. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do, and I'm going to work backwards through this paragraph. It says, according to the Reiser-Tread formula. So this is the last sentence. I always go to the last sentence first. According to the Reiser-Tread formula. Okay, well, what's that? You would have to go look for that, and look, 17 to 19 are about this information, and they give us this Reiser-Tread formula right here. Right? They call it that right here. So put in h is 7 and see if it works. 2 times 7 for h plus d equals 25. So look, I haven't even gone up here yet, and that's by design. 14 plus d equals 25. Subtract the 14 from both sides, you get d equals 11. So if h is 7, d is 11 per the Reiser-Tread formula. I subtracted 14 from 25 and got 11 for d. Now this says the tread depth must be at least 9 inches. Okay. That's it? The tread depth has to be at least 9 inches and the riser height must be at least 5 inches. Okay, well, first of all, just based on that sentence, I can now cross off A. H has to be at least 5. That looks like answer choice B. Now, we don't know if there's an upper limit. We just know that it has to be at least 5. Some people would mistakenly think, well, then D's out because it could be a bigger than 5. We know it has to be at least 5. There may be other factors that are making it even bigger than 5, and that it may have to be even bigger than 5. But we know that 7 works. H is 7 works. D equals 11. That's the only parameters that must be 9 inches. You could look through here if you were looking for any other limitations for D. There is none. So that means H does not have to be bigger than 8, or 8 or bigger, because 7 worked. So now we only have 2 answers left. And I'm going to pick another number. In this case, let's kind of do this here so you can see that that's part of one set of work. Let's make another H value that stands the difference between this. For instance, answer choice B says any number bigger than 5. Answer choice C says any number bigger than, I keep saying bigger than, but to be clear, H could be 5 in answer choice B, greater than or equal to. Answer choice C says it can be between 5 and 8, but it can't be any bigger than 8. Why don't we try H is 9 then? Same formula. 2 times, let me give myself a little bit more room. I'll go down here just so you can see where I'm at. Terrible arrow. Okay. 2 times my H value of 9 plus D, still just using that same Reiser-Tread formula. Of course, that's 18 plus D equals 25. I can subtract the 18 and see that D in that case would equal 7. Now, D cannot equal 7 because it must be at least 9. What that means is that my H value of 9 does not work. H cannot be 9, which means answer choice B is out because that would mean H can be as big as it wants, just at least 5. C is the right answer. So that's number 18.